Remases? Remases?
Oh, let me guess. You want me to let your people go?
I hoped I would find you here.
Get out!
Remases, we must bring this to an end. Remases, please, talk to me. We could always talk here. This place. So many memories. I remember the time you switched the heads of the gods of the Temple of Ra.
If I recall correctly, you were there switching heads right along with me.
No, it was you. I didn't do that.
Oh yes, you did. You put the hippo on the crocodile, and the crocodile on
the falcon.
Yes. And the priest thought it was a horrible omen and fasted for 2 months. Father was furious. You were always getting me into trouble. But then... you were always there to get me out of trouble again. Why can't things be the way they were before?
Father, it's so dark. I'm frightened. Why is he here? Isn't that the man who did all this?
Yes. But one must wonder... why?
Because no kingdom should be made on the backs of slaves. Ramases, your stubbornness is bringing this misery upon Egypt. It would cease if only you would let the Hebrews go.
I will not be dictated to. I will not be threatened. I am the morning and the evening star. I am Pharaoh.
Something else is coming. Something much worse than anything before. Please, let go of your contempt for life before it destroys everything you hold dear. Think of your son.
I do. You Hebrews have been nothing but trouble. My father had the right idea about how to deal with your people.
Ramases.
And I think it's time I finished the job.
Ramases.
And there shall be a great cry in all of Egypt, such as never has been or ever will be again.